Freeze! Right now, someone in this room is losing their life to a lie they didn't choose. Addiction's chains are tightening, but who's ready to break them today? Hey everyone, look around. One of you is fighting a war no one sees. Addiction, numbness, that quiet voice whispering, "I'll quit after this weekend." But the weekend becomes Monday, and Monday becomes never. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi's words hit hard. Raise your hand if you felt trapped or by drinking, tobacco, online habits, your phone. Be real. I see you. I was chained to my phone, leaning on drinking to relax. But I broke free, and you can too. You're not weak. You're not alone. You're stuck in a loop you didn't choose. Drinking steals your clarity. Hangovers cost jobs, family time. Tobacco and nicotine wreck your lungs, slashing 10 years off your life. Online habits spike anxiety, kill real connection. Your phone eats 4 hours a day, robbing your dreams. These are chains, not choices. Today, we break them. Ready? Let's do this. It starts as relief, a drink to unwind, a vape to chill, a scroll to pass time, a click for a thrill. It feels like freedom until it's a trap. Drinking becomes nightly, straining your loved ones. Nicotine leaves you wheezing, broke. Online habits erode your confidence, pulling you away from reality. Your phone disconnects you from life itself, the trauma, shame, guilt, broken promises to yourself. I know it. Let me tell you about Drew. December 2019, Wayne County Jail. He's shaking from alcohol withdrawal, a ghost in the mirror, third DUI, car totaled, life gone. One phone call changed it. He dialed his ex's dad. "I'm not asking to get out. I need to get up." Silence. Then, "I'm on my way." That was hour zero, his moment of truth. Or Aisha, a 20-year-old student. Phone addiction, endless social media tanked her grades, crushed her self-esteem. She'd scroll till 3 a.m., miss classes, feel worthless. One day she said, "I'm trapped." That honesty was her first step. We are what we repeatedly do. Aristotle's right. Your habits shape you, for better or worse. So name your chain: drinking, nicotine, online habits, phone. Say it out loud, right now. No more hiding. Who's ready to own it? This is war, and you're a fighter. Here's your battle plan to break drinking, tobacco, nicotine, online habits, your phone, or any addiction. Weapon 1. Admit it. No healing without truth. Tell yourself, "I'm done letting this win." Aisha told her roommate about her phone addiction. Drew told a counselor about drinking. Who will you tell this week? Raise your hand if you've got someone in mind. Weapon 2. Replace. Don't remove. Your brain craves dopamine. Swap drinking for a mocktail and a gym session. Drew's sober 2 years. Trade nicotine for gum or deep breathing. Replace online habits with journaling or art. Aisha started sketching and found peace. Limit your phone to 20 minutes, then walk or read. What's your replacement? Shout it out. Weapon 3. Change your environment. Your fridge, apps, friends. If they feed addiction, they're out. Clear out the liquor, delete tempting apps, skip vape shops. Aisha moved her phone charger out of her bedroom. Small changes, big wins. Weapon 4. Survive the first 72 hours. It's tough, no lie. Cravings hit hard, but after 3 days, the fog lifts. Track each hour you resist. Reward yourself. A coffee, a movie. You're tougher than you think. The after effects of freedom? No drinking fog, you're sharp, present. No nicotine cough, you breathe easy, save thousands. No shame from online habits, you're confident, connected. No phone trance, you're alive, creating. The trauma fades as you forgive yourself. You're not your past, you're your next step. This isn't about quitting, it's about becoming. Drew's now a counselor, saving others from alcohol. Aisha's acing college, mentoring kids, phone free. I'm here, unchained, living a life I love. You're next. Picture it. You wake up clear, no guilt, no fog. You ace exams, lead meetings, hug your family with pride. No drinking, nicotine, online habits, or phone holding you back. That's not a dream. It's your future if you choose it now. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Every choice, a walk, a journal, a real conversation builds the new you. You're not broken. You're rebuilding. This is your moment right here in this hall. Will drinking, tobacco, online habits, or your phone steal another day? Or will you fight for you? Raise your fist if you're done. Your challenge. Tonight, write one habit you're breaking. Tomorrow, take one step. Pour it out. Delete the app. Call an ally. Tell someone, I'm breaking free. One day at a time. One win at a time. This is your comeback. Break free. You're enough. Start now.